Someone was having some fun over here. Yo, what's up guys? Today I'm gonna be picking up the RX8 finally from LMT. It was dyno tuned. We're gonna find out how much it actually made. I'm gonna take a look at the dyno sheet, see what our curves look like. I'm hoping it's gonna be a really good car because these guys know what they're doing. They're really good at their job. They called me. I was super stoked because they actually complimented the build and said it was done really well. Because a lot of the time you don't really know what you're getting into with swap stuff because a lot of people try to do it as cheap as possible, which good for you, but dyno tuner isn't the biggest fan of that. Tried to make their job easier, so I did everything as best as I could. And it actually turned out super great. So I'm gonna head over to Waukesha right now and pick it up. I'm going to go over dyno numbers. We'll see how much it actually made. I'm just super excited. So I'm gonna get on the road and load this thing up, take it home. Then we're gonna go ahead and wrap up some loose ends and hit the track with this thing. So away we go. Alright, so we're here at LMT. I don't know, I'm kind of having second guesses about my horsepower guess. Comment below, let me know what you think this thing's gonna make for power. Stock LS1 heads, so 241s, stage 4 cam, just sporting valve train, long tubes, free flowing exhaust, high rise Holley intake, 42-pound injectors. I don't know. So car's finally back from dyno. Essentially, it's so fast it blew the hood off because, look at that. The hood actually flew up during dyno. The fan caught it. So, have a little bit of work to do ahead of myself. It made 374 at 6,400. Oh yeah, looks like a good curve. Everything looks good. They said that it probably is sucking a little bit of horsepower, so the dyno numbers probably aren't exactly true, just because this thing has a 644 diff in it. So actually, that number may be skewed a little bit, but still 375, that's more than enough for an NA LS1 build with 241 heads, which obviously don't flow the greatest. So for now, I'm just gonna go ahead and load up the trailer, take it home, and get ready to hit the track with this thing. a lot better than it did before. And of course we got the old girl over here. So I'm gonna go ahead and just get this up to operating temp, see where this thing actually idles at operating temp, and then put it away for a couple of days. Hopefully get an event in here soon, get the hood all fixed up and all that good stuff. So it's idling super nice at 178, which is pretty near the operating range. Sounds super healthy. Overall, the car runs, drives awesome. The hood, obviously I said before, too flexy. The fan actually blew it off, which they took care of it before me. Gave me a little discount, so no hard feelings or anything like that. It's just a drift car anyway. But yeah, super excited to drive this thing. It will be ready, hit the track within the next month or so. And then on this car, hopefully I'll be able to do like a little build summary on this one, because I actually built that one as well. So yeah. Little sneak peek inside this little pile. But yeah, thanks for checking it out. Catch you guys next time.